Leaders have been critical in determining how the country performs, but the question is obvious: who are the most popular leaders in the world? Through a recent survey by Morning Consult, a list of the world's most popular leaders has been released. These global leaders have not only charmed the people of their own country but also many others. Our leaders steer our future by representing the population that had confidence in them and voted for them. But which of those leaders are the most popular? Here is the list of the top 10 most popular leaders in the world. Narendra Modi, India. Narendra Modi has been at the top of the world's most popular leaders for the second time now. He has a total of 70% approval ratings on the ratings released by Morning Consult. Born on 17 September 1950 in Gujarat, he is a story of motivation. From being a poverty-stricken tea seller to being the Prime Minister of a country like India truly shows that anyone can achieve anything that they set their eyes on. With this, he is undoubtedly one of the world's most powerful people. López Obrador, Mexico. With 66% approval ratings, López comes second on the list of the world's most powerful leaders. This leader is known to be one of the most frugal and honest leaders who has revolutionized the political, social and economic landscape of Mexico City. Born on 13th November 1953, López was brought up in a middle-class family. He learned hard work from his parents and previously aspired to become a baseball star. However, he later turned up to politics, where he later made his career. Mario Draghi, Italy. Draghi has 58% of approval ratings and is the third most popular leader in the world. Before becoming Italy's Prime Minister, he also helped reform the economic landscape of Italy's largest financial and corporate institutions. He is a well-known professor, economist and banker too. All his work in different fields is coming in handy and is displayed in the work that he is doing for Italy. Angela Merkel, Germany. Merkel was the first female chancellor that Germany saw and also one of the finest. Even when she is a physicist, Angela has proven her skills in politics time and again. This is why she is ranked 4th on the global leader list based on their popularity. She is counted as one of the most prominent figures of the European Union who led Germany to be one of the leading nations in the world. Angela has a rating of 54% on the global leader list. Although she is going to retire very soon, the impact that she has on politics not only in Germany but throughout the world remains unshakable. Scott Morrison, Australia. With a 47% global leader approval rating, Scott Morrison is the 5th most popular leader in the world. He has also played in commercials as a child actor when he was younger and has performed in some local shows. He strongly believes in Christian ideals and thinks that what you do every day is a part of your Christian service. Justin Trudeau, Canada. Canada's 23rd Prime Minister has a global leader approval rating of 45%. He had entered politics to bring about change that can help serve the Canadians. Trudeau is consistently working to help Canada move forward. He is also a proud feminist and recently appointed Canada's first gender-balanced cabinet. This is why he is one of the most loved global leaders and was recently re-elected back to power by citizens of Canada. Joe Biden, the United States of America. Biden is the 46th President of the USA and has approval ratings of 44%. He had previously served as the Vice President under Barack Obama's regime. When he handled his position, he faced various issues like the coronavirus, which disrupted his year as President. However, it is found out that the public liked the way that Biden handled the pandemic, while more people are unhappy about how he handled economic challenges. Since he is the president of one of the superpowers in the world, he is considered to be one of the world's most powerful people. Fumio Kishida, the Prime Minister of Japan, has an approval rating of 42%. He comes from a family of politicians, which is relatively common in Japan. The public has not particularly been a fan of the leader, but he is on the list of the top popular leaders in the world, and that's going to have a meaning, right? During his run for Prime Minister, Kishida was one of the least preferred leaders, but it seems like people are turning to become more fond of him. Moon Jae-in, South Korea. With an approval rating of 41%, Moon Jae-in is ninth on the list of the world's most popular leaders. He is another inspirational person who rose from poverty. His parents had fled from the North Korean regime and struggled hard to make ends meet. He has implemented policy goals that focus on his administration, which also includes an emphasis on addressing decentralization of government authority and income inequality. Boris Johnson, United Kingdom. The Prime Minister of the UK has an approval rating of 40%. He was born on 19 June 1964 in New York City, USA. Johnson completed his education at Eton College and read classics at the Balliol College, University of Oxford, England. During this time, he also served as the President of the Oxford Union, which is a prestigious role for top British politicians. He is also known for his work in EastEnders, PMQs, and Have I Got News for You? World's most popular leaders. These men are known not only for the work they have done in their own countries by leading it, but also accounts for their influence in the world and world politics. These global leaders serve an important role in transforming the path of humanity and determining the future of the world. While some of these leaders are from the top developed countries in the world, others are leaving their mark on developing countries.